Pharma Innovation Program of Singapore is a groundbreaking initiative to bring together the local research capability of pharma manufacturers and other research institutes. The goal of PIPS is to improve the manufacturing and operations efficiencies in the pharma manufacturing companies around the world, but specifically in Singapore, by harnessing the manufacturing technologies. These manufacturing technologies rely a lot on the talent, because the talent is needed to develop, conceptualize the ideas, scale it up and implement at a commercial scale. The team has gone out to look for training providers for such skills, and we have given it the name as Galaxy Program. We really enjoy working with the Singapore Polytechnic PACE Academy because they listen to us, they tailor the program to our needs, and they never give up on all our requirements. And we hope that after the third pilot, we can really spread this Galaxy program throughout the pharma companies and really contribute to the innovation landscape in Singapore.
My name is Atila and I work at Pfizer, the digital department as a business analyst. In particular, I help set up our continuous improvement portal that manages all the continuous improvement projects. It is very timely that I have this opportunity to join the Galaxy program, and it has provided me the tools and skills to help manage our continuous improvement portal. Learning here at Singapore Poly is very refreshing, with very knowledgeable instructors that has provided us with industry examples, real-life examples, and also learning together with other students or colleagues from the same industry has been very helpful, and I have learned a lot from them.
My name is Shawan. I'm a Quality Validation Officer in GSK, where I work in a cross-functional team for validation activities for new equipment, systems and processes introduced to the manufacturing plant. Through the program, I've gained technical skills on the tools that we can use to understand data that we have. I think with the help of Excel and Power BI, we are better able to analyze and uncover new relationships and connections previously unthought of. I think the content of the course is rather manageable. Quite a number of hands-on activities, practices and presentations to help reinforce the learning.
We are excited to partner PIPS to develop the Galaxy program, which is a training roadmap contextualized to the pharmaceutical industry. Within the program, we have modularized the training, created meaningful intermediate checkpoints, and scheduled mentoring clinics so as to create a scaffold for learners to progress in a structured manner. We look forward to similar meaningful collaboration with more industry partners. I believe together, we can make a difference as we journey alongside each other.